The Honor Magic 6 Lite is a similar phone to the Magic 5 Lite, but it adds a higher-res main camera, 108MP versus 64MP, a bigger battery, 5300 mAh versus 5100 mAh, and a bigger, higher-res display, 6.78-inch 1220p versus 6.67-inch 1080p. The Magic 6 Lite also has a newer and more efficient 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, which will surely make the battery last longer. For the €400 price, the 8/256GB phone ships with a USB cable, though Honor is generous enough to sell you a 66W supercharge adapter at checkout for just €1, down from €30. You also get the Earbuds X5 and Honor screen protection, one replacement in the first 12 months, for free, further sweetening the deal. Overall, the Honor Magic 6 Lite is a solid phone for a reasonable price. The bundles provide extra incentive to buy it, and the promise of supreme battery life is hard to pass in this segment. Stay tuned for our review. The Honor Magic 6 is rumored to come with a 4000 mAh battery with support for 66W fast charging. As for connectivity options, the smartphone is expected to support 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.2, GPS/AGPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. The Honor Magic 6 is expected to come with a triple rear camera setup, a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front camera is rumored to be a 12-megapixel shooter for selfies. In terms of storage, the Honor Magic 6 is expected to come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Honor Magic 6 Lite is a similar phone to the Magic 5 Lite, but it adds a higher-res main camera, 108MP versus 64MP, a bigger battery, 5300 mAh versus 5100 mAh, and a bigger, higher-res display, 6.78-inch 1220p versus 6.67-inch 1080p.